Hi, I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. I want to show you the amazing and revolutionary brightOwl LED nightlight. It's a magic nightlight that takes the place of a regular cover plate and stays on should your power go off. The brightOwl has 3 brilliant LED downlights that are rated for 50,000 hours of use and provide lots of light in hallways, bathrooms, or any other location where safety is a priority. This one-of-a-kind nightlight has a built-in self-charging battery that allows the nightlight to stay on for up to 90 minutes in the event of a power outage. Normal nightlights go out when the power goes out. A small removable tab in the back of the cover plate needs to be removed so the internal battery is able to charge itself. The brightOwl has its own photocell built into the front of the cover plate. When the natural light starts to fade, the brightOwl turns itself on. It's very easy to install the brightOwl. Remove the existing outlet cover plate. Center the brightOwl onto the outlet and press it straight back. The brightOwl automatically connects to the power of the outlet on its own, and both receptacles are available for your use. It's magic! The brightOwl comes in the standard outlet configuration or the sleek rectangular Decora style. You know these bulbs that glow in regular nightlights? They seem to burn up in no time flat. It seemed to me that I was constantly replacing my bulbs. I am so glad that I now have a few brightOwls around my own home because I know that when the power goes out, the brightOwls are going to stay on. I'm convinced that you are going to love yours seconds after installing it. If you want more information about the brightOwl LED nightlight, it's easy. Go to owlpowersolutions.com. owlpowersolutions.com. I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com.
If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.